So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then you want to scroll down, and then next to program compatibility troubleshooter, you want to click on run. And now you want to click on yes to run this. And if your application appears here, then you want to go ahead with it. But if it doesn't, click on none of the above. And then you want to select if it's a Windows desktop application. And if it is, then it says that you want to find the exe file of your application. And then you want to right click on it, click on show more options, and then click on troubleshoot compatibility. And then you want to follow all the steps and see if this fixes the problem for you. Now for the next step, you want to right click on your program, click on properties, and then click on compatibility. You want to tick run this program in compatibility mode, tick disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. And then click on OK. Step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Now we're going to head over to search again and type in CMD again. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in chkdsk /f/r and click on enter. Then when this comes up, you want to type in Y and then click on enter again. Now once you've done that, you want to wait for this first scan that you've done to be completed. Then you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.